Buongiorno everyone, Speed Italian Racing is proud to introduce you the first dedicated splitter fast release system for S550 Mustang. The system allows you to install or release your splitter in just 2 minutes. And today, I'm gonna show you the concept of this kit and how it works. Let's do it. Dai! The system consists in 2 front fast release system and 1 back rear system. The system is composed by a bracket that gets installed under the crash bar of the Mustang. It's a titanium grade 5 bracket, has an aluminum plate that allows you to regulate as much as you want the height from the ground of your splitter, and it's composed also by a latch fast release system that it will be connected to a cable that releases it. The final part of the kit is the rear bracket that attached directly under the car. No modification needed. They use OEM bolts under the K member of our car, and what it does, it just attaches directly on the back of our splitter. And to release it, once again, you're gonna use a cable connected under the hood, and you just pull the cable and release it. The other 2 key components of this are the professional awesome striker. I love those guys. We collaborate a lot, so I'm gonna keep using their striker. And you can place the striker directly on your splitter, or if you want a plate under, we developed this plate that allows you to distribute the weight and the load better. You have 3 options to choose from. You can adapt to every need you have. One of the beauties of this system, everything is included. We provide grade 8 black bolts and nylon lock nuts to lock everything. A very nice long neck marker, I love this, to reach the tough spots. And in general, just to be more precise in marking. And then all the tools you need. A 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, 2 drills bit, because who wants to waste them to drill holes, right? And then last but not the least, a 8 and 10mm wrench. Everything is included. I hate the kit that gives you something, but then you have to run at the Ace Hardware or the Home Depot multiple times because you always miss something. This is all included. You don't need anything, and it's ready to go.